Google has announced a new feature for Google Photos. It was previously rumored, but the app now supports conversational AI powered editing. It comes to Pixel 10 lineup in the US first. The functionality will let you simply describe what edits you want to see in the photos by text or voice, and the changes will appear magically. You need to have Wi Fi connection for this though. It's powered by the Google Gemini. Since it's an open ended experience, you don't need to indicate which tools you want to use. Just talk to it normally, and AI will take care of the rest. For example, Google provides you can remove cars in the background, restore in this old photo, remove the reflection of extra wash out color, or even just make it better. There are small suggestion provided in case you don't know what you want. You can also add follow-up instruction after each edit to fine-tune things to your liking. You can also change the background, add items. The sky is the limit, except for on editing on people's faces. Anything else it can do. The Pixel 10 devices are the first to implement industry standard C2PA content credentials in the native camera app across photos created by it with or without AI. Google Photo is also getting C2PA support, so you'll be able to see information about how an image was captured or edited based on C2PA content credentials right in the Photos app. First in the Google Pixel 10 family and then rolling out to other Android and iOS devices.